Hello, in this video I will show you how you can convert your pricing spreadsheets into sales quoting applications on closed CRM. Here you can see a fictitious insurance company's life insurance rater with all its inputs and calculations. And this is the web version of that workbook converted on Spreadsheet Web platform. As you can see, it includes same inputs and same formula calculations. After you log into your closed CRM account, click on a lead or a contact. Here, you may want to add some custom fields matching with the pricing spreadsheet. After that, go to the settings. Under the integrations, you will see API keys. From here, you can create a new API key for your Spreadsheet Web extension. After you create it, copy and paste it. When you set the API key, you can start using your Spreadsheet Web integration. Click the name of a lead and click on the Spreadsheet Web button. Then enter the name for your application. You will also need the application link and its unique identifier. You can find them from your Spreadsheet Web account. If your close contact or lead have the same matching field names with Spreadsheet Web application, you can use Auto-Populate feature. This will automatically map all matching inputs and outputs. But if you use different names, you can do it manually. Now it's time to run the application. As you can see, when I run it, all inputs from the leads are automatically populated and outputs are calculated. When I hit the Save button, calculated total premium will be written back to the leads page. But you can always make changes in inputs. Let's change the base policy face amount and rerun the application. Once you run the application again, you will see that the base policy face amount is changed and the calculations are updated accordingly. Another important feature of Spreadsheet Web is the ability to create fully customizable PDF documents. These documents may include inputs and calculations results with advanced features such as formatting, headers, footers, page numberings, or conditional page generations. In the end, you will have a professional proposal to share with your customers. When you go back to the application and hit the Save button, it will push those changes back into the deal details again. In conclusion, with a Spreadsheet Web integration, pricing spreadsheets created in Excel can be transformed into web applications and embedded into closed CRM. They can be used in your company's workflow to calculate and generate coding proposals.